Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Smooth Display. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and tap on the sweater next to Smooth Display feature. So when I do that, as you can see, Smooth Display is now on. If you wish to switch it off, just click on the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!